There's no show like this.
Everybody talks about AHR, so I knew that this was the place to be.
It's amazing.
It's kind of the crossroads with contractors, engineers, suppliers. It's like this one huge big event that we can really hit the masses.
The game changer is connecting with people. It's the show everybody knows.
AHR is a unique place simply because we have the largest consolidation of manufacturers.
It's education, get to learn the newest products, stuff that I can offer my customers that no one else in my area can because they don't even know it's on the market.
Anyone involved in HVAC is at this show.
This show is so big and such a cross section of our industry.
I come to AHR to get re-excited about the trade, get back into why I started in the business.
Extremely impressive. I was not ready for the magnitude of this place.
I'll see you in Las Vegas 2026, guys. See you there.
We'll see you in Vegas in 2026.